Can you see yourself in the 2019 Chrysler 300? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Cruise boldly in stylish comfort in the 300, the full-size sedan that blends traditional touring car panache with state-of-the-art automotive technology. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power driver seat, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection. Experience the distinguished elegance of the 300. Come in for a test drive.